Pinagbantaan ang buong Pilipinas. Babalayan ni Professor Chester Cabalsa. Maging alerto daw sa drones ng mga Chinese dahil nakakatakot yan. Ang totoong pakay daw ng spy drones ng China ay for warfare, pangdigmaan talaga. Aminado kasi ang People's Liberation Army ng China na malakas talaga sa giyera ang US. Para matalo nila ang Estados Unidos, kailangan nilang paghandaan ng todo to sa digmaan. Plan ni Professor Cabalsa, hindi West Philippine Sea ang unang aatakihin, kundi Taiwan. Magkadikit lang kasi ang Taiwan at Pilipinas at hindi malayong pag nagdeklara ng digmaan sa China, gerahin din ang West Philippine Sea at Batanes. Kaya ngayon pa lang minamap out na kung saan dadaan ang attack submarine ng mga Chinese at mga warship nito.
Alarming talaga yung submersible drones nila. I think very advanced yung kanilang technology pagdating dyan. Kaya let's not underestimate yung kanilang drone technology. They are using it for their regional security, and at the same time kasi nga pressured si China right now on how to come up with the possibility for a reunification with Taiwan. So ginagamit nila ito for some other possible scenario na kung halimbawa magkaroon ng digmaan, at least fully prepared sila. Ang worrisome lang dito sila sa ating sa ating kapuluan ginagawa nila yan, no? Kasi magkadugtong naman talaga yung Taiwan at ang Pilipinas. So most likely part ng littoral and peripheral activity nila, i-map out na nila yung yung underwater territories natin. That's the reason why they have this very advanced submersible drone.
Iginiit naman ni National Security General Jonathan Malaya na nakabantay ang Armed Forces of the Philippines sa lahat ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Kahit sa Benham Rice o Philippine Rice, regular daw na nagsasagawa ng military operation at patrol sa area. Pero mas maganda siguro kung magtayo na ang AFP dyan ng mga military base. Baka kasi sa susunod na ilang taon, punong-puno na yan ng Chinese Coast Guard at Chinese Maritime Militia. Tapos sasabihin ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na sa kanila rin yan.
To elevate how we assert our rights and recognize what is ours that we need to protect. To fly the flag and send the signal to other nations that we are there to defend and protect what is ours. One of the drones, at least, were found to be transmitting data to mainland China.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, that's why we consider them as a national security threat.
Maisang research vessel naman na binabantayan ng Philippine Coast Guard ngayon. Malayo to sa Batanes. Taiwan waters ang minamanmanan. Pero nakabantay ang AFP at PCG dyan. Sakaling pumasok kasi yan sa ating exclusive economic zone, nakahanda agad tong palayasin.
As you can see from the navigation pattern of this Chinese research vessel, the Chinese government cannot deny that what they're doing there is actually a marine scientific research. There are also reports that the scientific findings of this research vessel is also being forwarded to the PLA Navy for whatever reasons that they can make use of those data.
Diba? Puro research ang ginagawa ng China, halata mo talagang naghahanda sa malaking gulo. Kayo sa tingin nyo, banggera ba talaga ang ginagawa ng China o purong pag-aaral lang? Yan sa palagay nyo. I-komento sa baba ang salobi.